Summary of longitude and latitude. These are the four things I want you to know anytime you want to solve questions on longitude and latitude. Number one is the distance along the parallel of latitude, otherwise known as small circle. It is small circle because all the lines of latitude, they did not divide the earth into two equal parts. Any line that divides the earth into two equal parts is called a great circle. The only line that is a great circle amongst the lines of latitude is the equator. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts. So when you are finding the distance along the equator, it is the great circle formula you use. For small circle, which is along the latitude, it is theta over 360 times 2 pi big R cos alpha. The alpha there is the latitudinal angle. The latitude angle is located at the singular latitude on the diagram drawn. This small sketch represents the shape you are seeing inside the circle. The center is the center of the latitude alone. So this is sector. The length AB is like length of arc. That is how we got the formula. So number two is the distance along the parallel of longitude, also known as great circle. It is great circle because all the lines of longitude divide the earth into two equal parts. So all the line you will see, the center will be the center of the earth. I drew two diagrams. The first one, the center is the center of the earth. The second one, the center is the center of the earth. Most times, the second one is deceptive, that most students will use the first formula. The distance is still along longitude, so it is the great circle formula you will use, theta over 360 times 2 pi big R. The big R is 6,400 constant. Now the third one, I call it the distance, shortest distance. That is the distance along great circle when the points are on latitude. That is how the question normally comes out. They will first ask you to find the distance along the latitude. If you locate the point, you see that the point is along latitude. But the second question will ask you to find the distance along great circle. In that case, the only thing you need to do is to link the center to the center of the earth. That is why you can see this line. They are the big radius, R. So it means the distance now is along great circle. But when looking at the point, it seems to be along latitude. So this is the formula to use. It has been derived already. So 2 sine inverse, open bracket, cos alpha times sine theta over 2 times 2 pi big R, big radius, all over 360. This is the formula to use in this case. Take note, I've given you the condition to use these three formulas. The last is the length of latitude. It can also be called the circumference of the latitude. It is 2 pi big R cos alpha. This is just the formula for circumference of a circle, 2 pi R. The small r, because it's a latitude, is the same thing as big R cos alpha. Alpha is the latitudinal angle. That's all. Thank you.